Okay, 33, again, Kramer rule, but in this case is 3 equation, 3 variable. Determinant of the system is equal 1, 1, negative 1, 3, negative 2, 1, and 1, 3, and negative 2. Okay. Expand using cofactor formula. So let's do it by the row number 1. 1 multiplied by a cofactor. Cofactor is formed when you delete this, and this is minus 2. 1, 3, negative 2. Second, que es negative, negative 1. When you delete this and that is 3, 1, 1, and negative 2. Finally, minus 1. When you delete this and this is 3, negative 2, 1, and 3. Okay, now we have multiplication, this and this, and this and that. Is 4 positive, minus 3. Multiplication is minus 6, minus 1, minus multiplication here is 9 plus 2. So we have 4 minus 3, 1. This is negative 7 and plus 7. And this is minus 11. This is 4, is minus 3. Okay, 7 plus 1 is 8. Minus 11, subtraction is 3, put the sign of the bigger number. The D is minus 3. Okay. Now, let's compute dx. dx, you replace the first column by 6, negative 5, and 14, get the right hand side, and the rest stays the same. One, minus 2, 3, negative 1, 1, and negative 2. Okay, expand again using the first row. Is 6 times minus 2, 1, 3, negative 2. Minus 1. Get the second. When you delete this and this, we have a negative 5, 1, 14, and minus 2. Minus this delete and this is negative 5, negative 2, 14, and 3. Okay, so now it's 6 times multiplication this and this. This is 4 minus 3 minus multiplication this and this minus. Entonces es 10 minus 14 minus, this is plus and this is minus. Entonces negative 15 plus, because negative and negative positive, 28. Entonces we have 4 minus 3 is 1 times 6 is 6. This is negative 4, my minus is plus 4. And this is 13, negative 13, positive 13, minus 13. This is 10, this is negative 3. Then conclusion, dx is minus 3. Okay. Now dy. dy is 1, 3, 1 stays the same. Now we change 6, negative 5, 14, negative 1, 1 and negative 2. Okay, expand again using the row 1. Is 1 times negative 5, 1, 14 and negative 2. Minus 6 times, delete this and this is 3, 1, 1, minus 2. Minus, delete this and this is 3, negative 5, 1 and 14. Multiplication 2 by 2 determinant. This is 10 minus 14 minus 6 times. This is minus 6 minus 1 minus plus and minus. This is 42 plus 5. This is negative 4. This is negative 7 and negative 6 is 42, positive 42. And this is 47, minus 47. And the answer is negative 9. So dy is equal to negative 9. DC is equal 1, 3, 1, 1, minus 2, 3, 6, negative 5, and 14. Is minus 2, minus 5, 3, and 14. Minus 3, negative 5, 3, negative 5, 1, 14. Plus 6 times 3, negative 2, 1, and 3. Now multiplication is minus 28 plus 15, because negative positive, minus, plus, and minus again, is 42 plus 5, plus 6 times, and 9 plus 2. This is negative 13. This is negative 47, and this is 11 times 6 is 66, and the answer is 6. Now DC is equal to 6. Okay. Now finally, apply the Kramer rule. Okay, x is equal to dx over d. X is negative 3 over negative 3 is positive 1. Y is dy over d. Is negative 9 over negative 3 is positive 3. And z is dc over d. Is 6 over negative 3 is negative 2. Now the solution is the triple order 1, 3, negative 2. Okay, Kramer rule again, but in this case 3 by 3 is most complicated. Determinant of the system D, capital D, is 1, 2, negative 1, 2, negative 4, 1, negative 2, 2, and negative 3. Okay, again, as always, let's expand using the row number 1. This is 1 times this determinant. It's negative 4, 1, 2, negative 3. Minus 2 times this determinant. 2, 1, negative 2, negative 3. 2, 1, negative 2, negative 3. Minus this determinant is 2, negative 4, and negative 2 and 2. Okay, compute. This is 12 positive minus 2. Minus 2 times minus 6 plus 2 minus 4 minus 8, because we have 3 negative, 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 and the negative of the diagonal. So this is 10 minus this is 4, this is 8 positive, and this is negative 4 plus 4. The answer is 22. So D is equal to 22. Okay, dx is minus 3, minus 7, 4. Replace this column by this, the rest stays the same. 2, negative 4, positive 2, negative 1, 1, and negative 3. Okay, entonces negative 3 times this determinant is negative 4, 1, 2, negative 3. Minus 2, the other determinant is minus 7, 1, 4, and negative 3. Good. Minus 1 is this entry, minus 7, negative 4, 4 and 2. It's minus 3 times 12 minus 2. Minus 2 times 21 positive minus 4 minus negative 14 plus 16. The answer then is negative 30, because it's 10 times negative 3 minus 34, because 21 minus 4 is 17, times 2 is negative 34, and this is negative, this positive 2 is minus 2. The answer is minus 66. Dx is equal minus 66. Okay. Okay, now dy is 1, 2, negative 2, negative 3, negative 7 and 4, and negative 1, 1, and negative 3. Expand using the row 1 is determinant negative 7, 1, 4, and negative 3. double negatives plus 3. We have 2, 1, 2, 1, negative 2, and negative 3. Minus 1 times 2, negative 7, negative 2, and 4. Okay, multiplication is 21 positive minus 4 plus 3 times parenthesis minus 6 plus 2 minus 8 minus something minus 14 because we have 3 negative. So this is 17 plus this is 4 times negative 4 times 3 is negative 12, and this case is negative 6 plus 6. Entonces es obvio que es 11. 5 plus 6 is 11. Entonces dy is 11. Okay, let's see dz and directly apply the Kramer rule. 35. Problem we are doing 35. Okay, dz is replace the third column, so the first column stays the same. 1, 2, and minus 2, 2, negative 4, and positive 2, and replace the third column by negative 3, negative 7, and 4. Okay, expand using cofactor formula. 1 is the first guy, time negative 4, negative 7, 2, and 4. Minus 2 times 2, negative 7, negative 2, and 4. Minus 3 times 2, negative 4, negative 2, and 2. Okay, multiplication. This is negative 16 plus 14. Minus 2 times 8 plus minus 3 minus 14. Minus 3 times 4 minus 8. And this is negative 2. This is plus because it's negative 6, no? Negative 6 times 2 is positive 12, and this is 4 times 3 is 12 again, but positive 12. And 24 is 22. Okay, dz is 22. Okay, ready to finish the problem. Kramer rule. Kramer rule say x is equal dx over d. Dx is minus 66 over 22 is negative 3. Y is equal dy over d. dy is 11 divided by 22, 1/2. And c is equal dz over d is 22 divided by 22 again is 1. Now the solution is minus 3, 1/2, 1. It's a triple order to satisfy this system.